Hello everyone, my name is Splendid here. Today we're playing some Zombie Survival Part 2 with Toothy.
Hi everyone, hi.
Russell.
Ahoy everyone, it's me, Russell the Otter.
And Nutty.
Hi.
Well, without further ado, let us start. Oh, here we are. Let's start this. We have 5 zombies coming in.
Where am I going?
Oh gosh. That was quick. Wait, I was gonna say that was quick. I'm rebuilding this. You go, Nutty, you do the other one. Let me board this. Huh? Hey, wait a minute. Wait, where are you guys going?
I know,
Oh,
music is awesome.
Zombie. Oh no. I'm about to say, Nutty, it's like you died. We gotta wait. Where's the last 4 zombies? Oh my god! Last one. Ooh. That was close.
There's still 19 more to go.
Russell, there you are.
Wait, where's Russell? Oh, there he is.
I'm here.
Alright, be careful. I have 836. Oh god, ow! You leave me alone.
Wait, the female one.
Ow! What the heck, man? I'm gonna die. Ow, shit. No. You guys need to fucking chill out. No!
Lay out the brain.
Damn it!
Oh, you died. You died, Splendid. Oh,
Yeah,
man.
there was so many on me.
Yeah, I literally know. Let's just hope Nutty and Russell can take him on.
Yeah, I hope. Then we get to respawn back in the game.
Yeah, but if they both end up dying, then we're gonna have to restart. Again, we're gonna have to do it again.
I think.
Sorry,
that's the last one.
the thing that freaks
Okay,
me
I think
out
that's
is the
it.
female zombies. They come really
We know
fast.
this
They come right behind you.
Alright, we're back in the game. Let's go. Sorry we died.
Go back in the fucking dirt where you came.
Yeah, we died. Huh.
Alright, how much money do I? My money's still saved. I can buy another weapon.
Why didn't I think about
I'll get this weapon.
Why didn't I think about
that. Oh crap. Ow. Oh no. I got you. Because you're probably shooting them, that's why. Ah! Damn that craps. God dang it. Don't worry, I got you, Nutty.
I got you.
That was close. Alright, we should able to rent a new area. Come on. We have to spread out.
Okay, let's go.
Wait,
Wait, hey.
Toothy! Nutty!
Oh,
Get
no.
your booties over here! Toothy! This way, come on! Ouch! God, why do you guys do so much? My God! Crap. Okay, new weapon.
Come on, Russell, come on!
Get out! Hey, look out!
Last one!
Ah! Where's Russell? Russell! Russell?
Why is he still alive? Okay, alright, we're good. I don't think my beer heart can take that.
Where's Russell?
Crap, those zombies need help.
Russell?
I do not know.
Do that.
Those zombies.
Uh-oh.
Those zombies need therapy.
Maybe Russell died. I can't tell.
No, I think he did.
Shoot it on a gun!
Got it. I think Russell may have respawned. Come on, let's go.
There's 20 more zombies left.
Let's go get Russell.
Yeah, let's go get him before we move on.
Russell, come on. We're going this way. Here we go. Let's come on.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, this way.
Let's get out of here before the zombies move.
Nutty, over here!
Nutty, come on!
Shit! Get your ass is bad. You piece of crap. Okay, running out. Oh, shit! Oh my god. Russell, you're getting dogpiled! You're getting fucking dogpiled! I'm out of ammo on this gun. Ah, get the fuck away! Get the fuck back! Guys, can you give a little help here? Guys, oh no. Oh my god, there's so many. Get the fuck back. My god. There's so many. My god. Chill the fuck out. These guys will die. Oh my god. Are we switching? Oh my god. Let's see, does this gun have ammo? Nope. Damn it. Ugh. Stupid piece of shit. How much health do you guys have? Ouch. Okay. There's only 9 more left. Oh my god, 2 heals the most. Finally. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm coming. Oh, ow! We did it.
Oh wow, they're so costly. What?
Oh, wait, we gotta go back.
$900.
Wait, we gotta
Man,
gotta
that
see
ain't
if-
enough. We need to see what Nutty and Russell are.
They probably respawn back to the
We have
area.
to go back for them.
Russell! Nutty!
Russell!
Got the
No.
walls.
Nutty, over here. Ow, shit. Ew! Oh, nasty. They tooted. Oh, this one has ammo. I'll take this shit. Ow! Motherfuckers. Ow, I'm about to die.
Jesus Christ!
God, what the fuck? There's 24. Why do you gotta be so mean? Ah, shit. I'm out of ammo on this gun. Oh my god! There's like, this is 19? This is 19? I feel like there's 20. My god! This is not 19. This is like 30. This is like 30. My god.
What? There's so many!
Ow! Oh my god, there's so many zombies. Holy shit. Bro, they're all on me. Did everybody die? Holy shit. How am I gonna take him out with one pistol? This is the piss gun. I'm dead. Especially these 2 female ones. Jogging over here. Yeah, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucking running. Screw this shit. I have 1,000. Oh, leave me alone. Oh, come on. Oh, suck my... Dang it. Come on. Will you guys move on already? I have 14 left of these. Refill ammo. Dang it. I need the gun. Oh, there's so many. Get the heck out. Probably they're big enough. Just gotta get back. Move. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. I got something. Oh my god. Oh! Did I get unlimited? Oh, unlimited. Ow! Dang it! Oh, come on!
That scared me. You were that wasn't.
You see
I
how many zombies were on me? There was only 14
Yes.
left.
We need to work
God
together,
damn it,
guys.
that-
We need to stay together. I just see. We need to stay together.
Yeah, stay together.
Okay.
Let's not mess up again, okay? Oh, wait,
Alright,
guys,
let's
guys,
go.
over here. Look, wait, guys, come here.
What
Guys,
is it?
look,
What's
this
this?
is actually a safe spot. This is a safe spot.
Oh, there's a safe spot?
This
Oh.
is green bear. Yeah, the zombies can't get you. The zombies can't come in here.
Wait, where did everybody else go?
I think we need to fix the barriers. I think we need to fix the barriers. I think.
What barriers? Oh.
Over here?
There's only 2 zombies. There's 12 of them next. Alright, coming.
Yeah, see, that's what the problem was. We need to fix those and kill. We need to
Yeah,
fix
we
those every time
fix
they
the
break.
walls to earn money. That's the only way we earn money.
Oh shoot!
Get that. Get that now.
Well, they don't chase us around if they're.
Ooh! We feel ammo! Heck yeah!
Nice.
We only have 6 more left.
Thank God you're so fucking slow.
Alright, earning some more money over here. We only have 3 more left. Russell, wait, okay. You got this? That's not fun. Alright, there we go.
I'm gonna save him $900 so we can, so we unlock that area.
Fix it,
$900?
fix it,
Okay.
fix it, fix it.
Hey, look, we can go over here. Fix it, Felix.
Fix it, Felix.
You gotta stay there until it holds.
There's always a coming.
Get out of my swamp.
What the heck?
My bad.
There's a female zombie.
I gotta buy another weapon instead of this pistol. Fix it, Felix.
Fix it, Felix. Gotta fix it.
What's with the
I can fix it. It's like every time whenever we run into like a wall or something.
Oh, I have $1,000.
Insta kill. Oh, does that mean that we can just like shoot them without actually taking more shots from them?
I don't know.
Yeah, we're on insta kill, so yeah, they can only survive 1 shot. So all of our attacks are now 1 shot. Actually, nope, it just ended.
No, get him. Okay.
All right, fix it, Felix. Ooh, ow! Double points. I hear a zombie. Wait, where did everybody else go? Insta-kill! Insta-kill time!
Three more zombies left.
I don't know. Build
Let's
it,
go.
build it, build it.
There's only
build
one
it,
more
build
zombie left. Where is it?
I don't know.
Where? It's right there!
Oh,
There!
Alright, we need to unlock some more spots. Alright, come on. We're going this way.
area. Come on, guys. Let's.
Okay, this way, this way.
Come on, this way, this way.
Over here.
We need to run before there are more zombies coming. Coming
Yep.
swarms. If they do, we should.
Oh, this
head
is
to
it. This
the
is a
safe
nice
zone.
expanded area. There's only 22 here. I have 7 left. Max ammo. Let's go. Okay, bro, I'm stacked. Get out.
Build it up, build it up, build it up.
About an area? Where?
New
This
area.
way? Okay.
Yeah, I did.
Here.
Nutty, over
Wait, we
here.
need Nutty.
Nutty.
We need Nutty to come. Nutty, come on, man.
There's a zombie behind you.
What's that?
Alright, come on, let's go. Alright, we only have 3 more.
Where's the last?
Where's the last 3?
I don't know, man.
We gotta find them.
Oh, I see one. Okay, I got the final one. Where is it? Woo! We're going on a roll.
Yeah, we just have to
Yeah.
stick together, that's the thing.
Yeah, that's it.
We is on a roll.
Yeah. Next stack is 26.
Buy it.
What? Wait, don't. Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
I think the next area is like $900.
900. Yep, you called it.
That is.
Also, guys, I don't want to set up any of that, but like,
Kill the
just
woman.
be aware
Kill
there's
the woman.
there's these giant green zombies. They're like the Incredible Hulk.
Yeah, I know. I thought that like whenever they come out the male ones, I thought they farted. Yeah. I don't know. Don't most of that green stuff come out the zombies.
But still.
Dang, I'm out of ammo. I gotta find a recharge station.
Crap, does anyone have any more ammo?
I don't have any more ammo, but I have enough money to buy a new area.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh! I kind of wish we had.
This is my last
so we could
bullet,
blow
guys.
these zombies up.
There's only
This is
one
my
more.
last bullet.
Alright, that's the last one. Russell, we're going to a new spot.
We need more zombies. Oh no.
Okay, I'm
Come
fine.
on,
This
let's
way,
go
this
get
way.
the next spot. Come on, let's go.
Over here. I have enough for this.
Doing all this. I'm just staying alive.
There's also a random chest item. There's also a random item box. So
Ooh, this looks spicy.
I'm just.
yeah,
I need more ammo. I can't survive without just like one ammo.
Everyone, keep your eye. Oh, hold on.
Then use your pistol.
Yeah, you can.
I'm just using the normal pistol and I'm
What?
You have a pit.
You got a pistol on the first start of the game. How could you lose it?
lose the main weapon. Don't.
Oh wait, there's a random
I
weapon
know,
for
sorry,
like
I'm sorry,
$12,000. We gotta build up some new spots. Oh man, I want to build that spot. Uh-oh. Okay, my headset's really low. I need a charge. Oh no. What? There's so many! I dropped my pistol. What the heck? What kind of gun shoots like that? Okay, we gotta kill these zombies before I die. I need a charge.
Sure, guys, I'll help you. I'm coming to. I can't.
Okay, guys. Oh god. Oh no, I'm about to die. If I stay still, I'm gonna die.
Not today, Splendid. You're not. No one's gonna die. Just buy one.
Okay, there we go. I'm charging. I'm good.
If you have enough money.
Close.
Phew. Yeah, this gun can really do some
Alright, do it
damage.
like Fix It Felix. Fix it, Felix. Oh, 30 a lot.
Yeah, my gun that I buy can do a lot of damage. I mean,
I have
only
2
one shot
guns,
does
but one
damage.
of them I'm using is my pistol, but until I can find a recharge ammo station.
Build it, build it, build it.
Maybe one of us will get lucky and get the chainsaw. Maybe one of us can get the chainsaw.
A chainsaw?
Oh, God.
When do you get a chainsaw
Yeah,
in
there's
this
a-
game?
You get it from the weapon box.
Oh, that seems pretty lucky.
Yeah, but it's a small.
I just gotta get some money. I gotta get paid. I gotta get some moolah. Hey, I just built that wall.
Story Splendid. If I get the chainsaw, I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you.
No, I can earn it. I can earn it.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, I have enough. I have enough. Wait, not enough. I need $50 more. Ooh, there we go. Max ammo. Heck yeah. Now we're talking. I got it. I got a random weapon. Let me see what we got. Ooh, I'll take. Oh. Aw, man. Dang it. Alright, screw this pistol. Heck yeah, I like that. It was like. But look where they look. Oh, nice. Where's Russell?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Where
Oh, there you are.
I've just been over here.
I thought you
I've just been over
died.
here. No, I'm still alive. With the
Thank God.
first gun. Caring about me. Oh, jeez.
You never see this gun do something like damage like this.
Good lord. God.
It's kind of
I'm just gonna
loud.
waste my time with this.
Let me turn my volume up.
I like a new gun, but at the same time, I've just been keeping this for the whole time. I like it.
What gun do you have?
The first.
Oh, you mean the pistol?
Alright, let's see what weapon I get. Let's see what weapon I get.
Oh, nice. That's a pretty good weapon.
Upgrades. Just this.
Okay, I need to build some walls. I need to build up some walls, cause. There we go. Give me that. Double points. Double
What did it
points.
say? Reading what it says for the fun of it.
Shoot 'em in the
Okay.
noggin. Shoot these zombies in the brain. like,
Alright,
oh, I
hold
just
up.
can't. They
gotta
don't have
get
no
this.
brains.
I need to get this before my 2 times thing runs out.
Oh, maybe you might get the chainsaw. Not even maybe.
I got this.
What is
this?
Oh, that's the weapon that
Oh,
Tuesday
that's a pretty
has.
good gun.
What is this? A laser
Oh,
pistol?
that's a good weapon. That's a
Oh, it's a
very
laser
good
weapon.
weapon.
That's
a good one. That's a very
extremely good one.
Guess I'll keep it.
Wait, what the heck? What is this new music? But it sounds like it came out straight of out of Hell of a Boss. Actually, it kind of does sound like some Sonic music.
Sound like a Sonic boss.
Oh, I like this. Dang. What the heck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck my god! There's 3! Oh my god! What the heck is that? Bro, I'm losing my mind with these things. There's 41 left. Okay,
We
there's
did
40.
it!
Alright, let me get a new weapon. Let me see what I get.
That's a
I
lot.
got... Oh, what the... Wait, no.
What'd you get?
You
I
got
got
a
the chainsaw!
Oh, you got a chainsaw!
You know what? I'll get
Sweet.
another. I'll try. No,
You
try
can
another
only-
random.
When
one.
zombies are in groups, you can actually kill them a lot.
Hey,
It's
okay.
very-
Hey.
It
Oh,
does a lot
heck
of
yeah.
damage. It's
Now
like
we're
over-
talking.
I don't know what this
It's like the most overpowered
I'll
weapon.
that you have, Splendid. I'll keep it.
Hmm?
I got this. That's what I
I got-
got.
The good thing
I got
is
this gun.
I'm gonna keep it.
I like it.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Wow, man, you got so lucky.
Bro, this is a good round.
Yeah. Once we reach to, probably after this round, we could, probably after this round, I'll end the video.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, probably. We're gonna have to. This is like
Just
a
after
long one.
this round.
Wait, guys,
Yeah.
Flippy's on. Wait, guys, Flippy. I see Flippy.
Oh, yeah. I'll invite him when I end the video after this round.
Oh, here we go.
Let's start.
Yeah!
Now we're talking.
Chainsaw their heads off.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, I know you're like freaking. I don't know. You're like Jason or something. I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know if people else to change. I don't know.
What about Chainsaw Man?
Oh crap! Oh my god.
We got some fire.
Kill time. Yeah.
Flippy's on.
Come here. Yeah. Yeah. We'll end the video after we kill these zombies.
Okay.
Oh man. Like a god.
Flippy's just joined. That's crazy.
Let me earn some money. Some buckaroos. What did I say? Lock? What?
Bitch, kill that bitch. Kill that. Kill that.
We only have 9 more to go until I end the video.
Yeah.
Here's my 9 more. Uh-oh. Oh no, my chainsaw. Wait, hold on. Wait, can somebody else use the chains? Okay, I'm in the video. See ya.